Guys, it's Leanne here, also known as Work at Home Gal Online. Someone had asked if have ever withdrawn money from Mylo, and I have. So I figured this would be a good time to do a update video and to show payment proof that they have in fact sent me money. The app has changed a little bit since my last video, so this is how the app currently looks as of this date, August 24th. So what we're looking at here is the overview section, which shows if you have created a portfolio, which you'll do when, that's going to happen when you sign up, because that's kind of the point of Mylo. They withdraw money to put into the portfolio for you, or you can also have roundups turned on, which invest spare change. So if we take a look here, like we'll click on this, it shows us my contribution is showing that I do $5, set to a recurring deposit of $5, and the next one will be August 26th. So once a week, $5 goes in here. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, once a week, if $5 goes to this account, why is the balance $20? That would be me withdrawing money and not actually letting it really grow very much. I tend to kind of withdraw money every couple of months or so, just kind of put it back in my bank account. Down here is where you can create a goal. So we'll look at this was made a while ago now, but you can see it says it was set for a college goal. You can see the recurring deposits, which you can, if you click on it, you can change. Like it says send $5. Oh no, wait, we're in the wrong window, sorry. You can change up here, I think. Yeah, yes, goal detail. Okay, goal details, funding rules. This is where you can change it. So as you can see, you can enter a custom amount, or you can choose from the amounts they have listed. So mine is set to 5 at current. And then roundups, same thing, times 1, times 2, and then there's more options. Now I have it off right now just because I don't want it taking out extra money at this time, so I only have it set to recurring. And then this is where you would withdraw the money, withdraw $20. And then the, investment breakdown, that just kind of tells us, this is what the portfolio person that set this up, what they chose for me. See, when you create your Mylo account, like, it's going to ask you questions like if you know anything about investments, how much you're willing to invest, how you feel about like risk, stuff like that. So with those questions, it can give you a portfolio based on your needs, basically. If we look over at transfers, you can see here's the past transfers. So it's $5. It's like basically it's always been $5. Oh, except for here, what happened here where it says failed, my bank account disconnected from the app for some odd reason, and then I had to reset it back up. But that's what that is. So that's the other thing too. If you're not aware, like, obviously, Mylo is going to need to be set up to a funding account. So your bank account, preferably, because that's how it's going to be, taking money from your bank, putting it into the portfolio. And Mylo does cost money. It's like $1 a month, I believe. I think I pay $1.15 a month or something, which is nothing really for it to do this. And I'm pretty good at forgetting about this, actually. So when I do go to take money out, it's usually like I want to say, $50 or more when I do it normally, because of me forgetting about it. Now, the amount would be much bigger if I had roundups turned on, but like I said, at this time I don't want it turned on. So, I just want to show you guys this, just to show you the kind of the app again or whatever, but I'm also going to do the rest of the video like from my PC, so you can see that it has gone to my bank account. So yeah, just give me a moment here, and I'm going to go to my PC to show you the next part. Okay guys, I'm on the computer now, logged into my bank account live, so you can see that I have indeed received money from Mylo. So what we're going to do, this is going to be the easiest thing for me to do, is just look for Mylo. Alright, so August 19th, that's showing us the last transfer of $5. August 12th, $5, August 5th, $5, and then if you look here, this is where the app costs money. See, it charges me $1.15 per month. $5, and here's a withdrawal right here. So you can see right here, it shows us electronic funds transfer from Mylo 5510. I'm trying to just go through and find another one. Oh, I guess not. Last 12, we'll click on last 12 months for the bank thing and see if I can get one. Okay. Let's see. There should be another one. That's odd. Oh, actually, you know what? I feel silly now. I was supposed to click next page for the bank transactions. Okay, just hold on. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. 5510. That's the one I think I already showed you, but I also don't remember. That was 5510 in May. Let's look here now and see if we can get one. There's one. February 4th, $35.04. And there was a period, I think, too, where the card, my bank card was not connected to the app a second time, so there were some transfers that, like, never even happened because of that. But yeah, so you can see that's the proof that it pays me. So I want to show you guys the fact page for a minute, mainly about the roundup thing, because this is going to explain it a lot better than I can. So it says, a roundup is what we call the spare change on your credit and debit card transactions. Automatically, investing roundups is an easy way to save, and they add up quickly. Simply link your checking account, funding source, and your debit and credit cards roundup sources to your Mylo account, and will automate the process for you. For example, if you spend $3.25 on a coffee, using a linked credit or debit card will automatically round up your purchase to the nearest dollar. So this case, nearest dollar from $3.25 would be $4, which means Mylo is going to take 75 cents from your bank account, put it into the Mylo account. Every week on Monday, we add up all your roundups from the previous week, withdraw the total from your funding source, and invest the money in your Mylo investment account. And then, of course, you can multiply the, like I was showing you in the other video, you can make the roundups a little bit higher. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. Like I said, I have it off right now, but it is worth having on. When I did have it on, it was cool to see how quickly it added up. This explains how much it costs. Like I said, for me, $1.15 a month, or if you want to use the Advantage, it's $3 a month, which I don't use, although I think I did get an offer for a free trial. I can't remember though. And then, like, over here, they're, like, this is just to show you guys a referral program. They do have a referral program. The Mylo referral program is an easy way for you to earn free money by referring friends to the app. If a friend joins Mylo with your referral link, you'll each earn $5. There are rules to earning this $5, so you're not just gonna have $5 show up in your account. You know, the friend that signs up under you, they have some stuff they have to do for you each to get the $5. So here's how you get it. When you invite a friend to join Mylo with your personal referral link, you will each receive $5 for free when your friend successfully, see that, successfully opens a Mylo account. To be eligible for the $5 referral bonus, your referred friend must. So these all have to happen. You know, the person signing up under you, they have to sign up with your referral link to get the credits to download the app to their phone. They need to connect their bank to their Mylo account, pass the identity verification process, and have at least one successful transfer of roundups or boost. Once the 4 conditions above have been successfully met, we'll send you an email to confirm the successful referral and let you know that you and your friend can both expect a $5 referral bonus shortly. So there's a bit of work. I I want to show you guys that though, in case there is anyone that wants to sign up and give it a try. I mean, the thing is, like, you can try it and then just, delete the account and such if you don't like it. I mean, it's obviously not for everybody, but if you, like, are new to investing, want to learn things, and basically have a professional, like, this portfolio person kind of set it up for you, it's a great way to do it. And, you can invest and then withdraw the money, so there's that too. So below I'll have a sign up link to Mylo, along with a link to their fact page for you to read stuff, and a link to my Twitter, since that's the only thing I have been updating, though I haven't updated it in a while. I kind of went completely missing in action on my blog. The reason for that is because I'm in college currently, so I just don't have the time really to dedicate to blogging like I used to. But I did notice some of my videos are getting comments. I'm taking forever to respond due to school and life stuff, but I'm trying. But yeah, so I'm gonna say expect more videos from me, but with me saying that, and you guys should know me by now, that can take a bit to show up if I get busy. But yeah, this first video, like I said, it's an update on Mylo, just to show you it does indeed pay you, so, feel free. You can leave any questions. I'll answer them the best I can. If I can't, I'll direct you to Mylo and say, ask them type of thing, because I don't know everything about it. I'm still learning. But yeah, feel free to like the video and please leave comments, constructive and criticism. I'm very accepting of both. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.